Good morning, Warriors. Coach V here with Training for Warriors Albuquerque. I'm here to give you another great workout this morning on Tuesday. It's going to be a hurricane. You can tell the sun's nice and bright, so it's a beautiful day to get up and start training, start getting your body moving and get you ready for the day. Today's hurricane is going to be a 20-second sprint. We've got 5 burpees and 12 sit-outs. Now, I know everybody's going, sit-outs. Yes, sit-outs. 12 sit-outs. If you can't do sit-outs, you can always substitute those sit-outs for 12 mountain climbers. So the way it's going to go is we're going to get a quick warm-up in to make sure that we're good to go. We're going to do a 20-second sprint in place, okay? And then we're going to hit our 5 burpees, 12 sit-outs, and then after that, we're going to take a 45-second rest, and we're going to do that 3 times for the first round. Then I'll explain what the next rounds are going to entail. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to turn some music on. I'll be timing it with the stopwatch. We're going to go from there. All right, so let's go ahead and turn some music on. All right. All right, guys, start out just by pulling knee to the chest. Get some activation going. 8, 9, 10. All right, let's stagger it down. Let's drop the knee down. Let's come on up for 10 reps each leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep that core tight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change legs. Knee all the way down. Press up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, we're going to shake that out. We're going to go cross leg hip hinge, cross it over. No spinal flexion. Push the butt back. Get a good stretch. 1, 2, 3. Got to start my watch. 4, 5, 6, 7, almost lost my balance. 8, 9, and 10. Change legs. Push the butt back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Shake that out. Now we're going to go 10 high kicks each leg. Start whichever leg you want. Bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, shake that out. Next, we got 10 squats. Feet apart. Grip the floor with the toes. Keep those abductors nice and tight. Pillars nice and tight. Hands in front, squeezing. And going down and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. Shake it out. Couple deep breaths. That's going to be taxing those squats. All right, let's pull those legs back for quad stretch. 1, change legs. 2, 3, 8, 9, and 10. All right, guys, we're gonna do a set of 20s. One set of 20s, then we'll get started. There we go, 20 jumping jacks, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Still jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Crossovers. 1, 2, 3. Full extension. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's squat it down, grip the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew! Let's go 20 push-ups. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, guys, grab some water, quick water break. And then we'll get started with our hurricanes. Let me put this up so you got a visual of what we'll be doing. I don't know if you can see that because the glare. There we go, there it is. 20-second sprint, 5 burpees, 12 sit-outs. First round, second round, 20-second sprint, 16 side crunches each side, 10 med ball, military crunch if you have a med ball. If not, if you put something in your hands with a weight, you can do that, or just do it with no weight. I'll be using my backpack for that particular one. Then the third round is going to be 20-second sprint, 8 triangle crunches on each side, and then 20 med ball TFW twists. Again, I'll be using a bag, and I won't just be shaking my head. I'll be moving it side to side. That's for Coach Sal. All right, guys, there you have it. Okay, like I said, I'm going to be timing this with the stopwatch. Our 20 seconds, and we'll go right into our 5 burpees and 12 sit-outs. All right, here we go. First round, guys. Ready? Knees up nice and high, okay? Be sure those knees come up nice and high. Get that heart rate going, just like a sprint. Here we go. Ready? And go. Be sure we're breathing. Keep it moving. First round. 5 more seconds. And time. 5 burpees. Sit-ups. Woo. And rest. 45 seconds. Make sure this thing is recording. That would suck if it didn't record. All right, guys, keep breathing. Shake it out. Whew. I think that first round's always the hardest. Get your body used to breathing hard. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. There we go, guys. Get ready for round 2. Ready, go. Ease up. Keep breathing. With the arms pumping. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Time, 12 burpees. I'm sorry, 5 burpees, 5. Sit-outs. All right, 45-second rest. Now guys, if you have to, pause the video to catch up on your movements, catch up on your rest. By all means, pause it and restart it again when you're done with your 45-second rest. Okay? One more time. Then we'll take a little break. 15 seconds. It's gonna be a beautiful day today, guys. 69 degrees here in Albuquerque. If you can, get out and get some fresh air. In 5 seconds. Round 3. Ready? Go! Knees up, knees up, knees up. Five seconds. Time. 5 burpees. Sit-outs. Great job, guys. 2-minute rest. Woo! Deep breathing. Push that air out. There we go, let your body relax. You guys know a lot of us have been kind of stuck at home. When you're there at home, there's been a problem with, including myself, with getting bored, binge eating, or eating just because you're bored. So be sure that you keep that in mind and only eat when you're hungry, okay, not because you're bored. Pay attention to what your body's feeling. If your body's hungry, by all means eat something. If not, walk away from the kitchen. If you can't get away just because you're in the house, go outside for a walk around the yard, do some yard work, go for a jog. Something to keep your mind off of binge eating, because that becomes a problem for everybody, including myself, including coaches. We need to be sure that we keep that stuff in check and that we're not doing more harm by being at home than we are being here at the gym. So again, we want to be sure that when we come back into the gym, when we reopen, that you're ready to go and it's not like starting back from square one again. That's what we want to try to avoid. Okay, because everyone's had that day one and it's tough until you get back into the swing of things. So let's be sure that we're keeping up with our training at home. Go for runs, go for jogs. If you have a treadmill, get on the treadmill for a while. Jog it on the treadmill. Push-ups, squats, sit-ups, all those things. you don't need a gym for. Keep those things going so you stay somewhat fit and ready to come back into TFW, ready to rock and roll. All right, guys, been 2 minutes. Our next round is a 20-second sprint, 16 side crunches. Okay. Now your side crunches, you don't have to pull your legs up like this for a side crunch. You can wrap the arm under, and all you want to do is squeeze your abs and back down. Squeeze and back down. If you want to bring your legs up, you're more than welcome to. But if you feel like your body's going out of technique, leave the legs down and just squeeze the abs. Okay? And then from there, we're going 10 med ball military crunches. You got a med ball, or grab something with weight. I'm going to grab this bag. It's a military crunch. Throw the head, pull it to the knee. Extend it out, pull it in, extend it out, pull it in. The legs are extending out, the arms are extending out above the head, and bring it up over the knees. Okay, we're doing those for 10. And let me turn this heater down because I don't want you guys to be listening to the heater. All right, I'm back. So, here we go. We're going 20-second sprint, 16 side crunches on each side, and 10 med ball or gym bag military crunches, 16 and 10. Here we go. Ready and go. Okay, knees up, knees up, knees up. Keep them high. Make sure you're breathing. 5 seconds. And time. 16 side crunches each side. I'll turn and face you. All right, we've got our bag and 10 med ball military crunches. All right, 45-second rest. Good job, guys. 2 more times with those. Shake it out a little bit. Make sure you're breathing. Get good recovery time for good maximum effort on your sprint and your movements. Okay, so be sure to get a good recovery time for that 45 seconds. 15 seconds. 16 side crunches, 10 mid ball military crunch, or we're just calling it weighted military crunch. Here we go, round 2. Ready? Go! There we go, keep it going. Five seconds. Time. Crunches, 16. Go. All right, weighted military crunch. Going 10 reps. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 45-second rest. One more, guys. One more. Then we'll rest for a little bit. Very good, very good. Twenty seconds, deep breathing. Catch your breath, shake it out, keep your body loose as you recover. Try not to tense up, try to breathe. If your body's tense, you can't relax, you can't breathe right. Shake out your arms, shake out your legs, let your body recover. Here we go, we're going round 3. Get those knees up, ready, go! Pick those legs up. Time, 16 side crunch. Here we go, change sides. All right, wait for military crunch. All right, great job, guys. 2-minute rest. 2 minutes. Okay, be sure to get some water. Stay hydrated. We don't want any cramping up. And sometimes too, when we're not being active or at home or we're just kind of running errands, we'll tend not to drink any water. So be sure that you're staying on top of that as well. The more water you drink, the better off you are. Water is a natural fat burner, so you can drink as much water as you want. Just don't overdo it on one setting, because you could hurt yourself doing that as well too. So just drink so you're full. That'll help kind of curb your appetite some as well too. And stay hydrated as best you can. Drinking coffee all day doesn't count as water. Drinking iced tea doesn't count as water, even though it has water in it. Okay, just be sure you're drinking good water. And again, for those of you that have water memberships with us who need to fill their jugs up, shoot me a text. Let me know when you want to come in. I'll be here to fill up your water jug. Make sure you got good water to drink all day long. Got 45 seconds left for this rest time. Then we're going into a 20-second sprint. 8 triangle crunches. Be sure you're going to cross the leg over one straight. Okay, you're going to pull the leg in, and you're going to crunch it up for 8 reps. Change legs. Triangle crunch on that side, and then a 20 med ball TFW twist if you have a med ball. If not, just get something weighted. If you can't find anything weighted, just use your body weight and move 20 med ball twists. Okay. All right, we got 15 seconds left. 15 seconds. This is our last round, guys. Last set of 3, and we're done for this morning. 10 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready? Go! Knees up, knees up, knees up. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Got 5 seconds left. And time. All right, we got triangle crunches. Extend the leg, cross one, extend. Let me pull it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and our TFW twist. 1, 2, 5, 6, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And rest, 45 seconds. You can challenge yourself even more, guys, on the triangle crunch. Once you cross over and you do your 8, try not to put your feet down on the ground. Keep your legs extended as you change legs and crunch another 8. That'll challenge you a little bit more with those abs. All right, 15 seconds, 15 seconds. 20-second sprint, pop those knees up in the air, high as you can. And 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, ready, go. Here we go, knees up. Keep breathing. 5 seconds. Time. 8 triangle crunches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change legs, no touching. 6, 7, 8. And TFW twists. 20. 45-second rest. All right, guys, got one more set, last round. Then you'll be good to go for your day. All right, guys, be sure you're staying active throughout your day as well, too. Go for walks, go for jogs. Avoid people. Keep your minimum 6 feet away from each other. That way we can kind of get all this stuff taken care of and get back to everyday normal life. So be sure you get that taken care of. And like I said, push-ups are for free, guys. If you think about eating something that's bad or you're bored, knock out 10 push-ups. This is a great time to perfect your push-ups. A great time to make sure that your technique is perfect and everything's good to go on your push-ups. Give me 5 push-ups, 10 push-ups, anytime you think about it. Here we go, guys. Round 3, last one. Ready, and go. Here we go. Put those knees up. Doing good, doing good. Keep it breathing. And time. 8. Cross it over, don't touch. And your TFW twists. 420. All right, guys, that's it. Way to work today. Good job today, guys. Hey, be sure to stay on top of things. Stay motivated. Just get moving, guys. Just keep your body moving. Again, this ain't gonna last forever. We're gonna be back open again soon, and we want you guys coming in here, you know, hard chargers and ready to rock and roll again. But in the meantime, keep doing what you got to be doing to stay fit and stay healthy. And if you have any questions, reach out to us. You can text me, you can call me, 505-401-5249. Whatever you need. If you got to exchange equipment, let me know. We'll get that exchanged. If you want to check out some equipment, let me know. We'll check out some equipment. And be sure you let me know when you want to fill your waters up. Okay, guys? Great job. Happy Tuesday.